Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the latest video lecture of STAAD Pro classes. So up to now we have learned about giving the various loads on our structure. As you can see, we have here given the various loads on our structure, the dead load, various dead loads on our structure, the self weight, the weight due to say the weight due to each wall weight, the brick wall weight, the floor weight due to the up floor, etc. Now let's move on towards the live load. Now live load is due to the load applied on a building due to the people moving on it. You already know it, I know, but then also just for the sake of saying, so how to add it is the similar way of dead load, add. Now before adding, I would like to tell you something, that let's plan it in such a way that say our building is designed for a marriage, means the rooftop of our building is a party space. People on the rooftop will do some party work. Fine. So what we will do is that then there will be different live loads, because in party the more number of people will be coming on there, so more live load will be there. So similarly we'll be giving two live load ranges. So live load generally comes up from the floor load. So how it comes to a floor load, so let's go on and go for the floor load. Say for the rooftop we add it minus 7 kilonewton per meter square and give it a y range of minimum is 10, maximum is say 20 on the up, and add it. And the other one let's give as minus on the, for the other floor let's give it as 4, and the minimum range let's give it as 0 from 2 to maximum range say 10. Add. So what we now see is this is the first one with minus 7 kilonewton. Just see here, this load is applied on the top floor where we were designing about a party space. It will be better clear, and this one means which load I am selecting, that gets highlighted by a blue color. So this load, this minus 4 kilonewton, is added on the rest of the floors, and on the ground floor you all know as there is no live load falling, because this load is directly transferred to the ground. Here this will be transferred to the subsequent beams, and then beams will be transferred to the columns. Generally it is only the design procedure. We first design the slabs. The first thing is designed is the slabs, then we go for the beams, because the load of the slabs goes to the beams and then beams to the columns. So in this way we are just adding the different loads here. The first load was added to the top of the top floor, which we are designing for a party floor, party space. Generally this is not given on the topmost floor, it's not given, but then also let us plan it in this way. Every new innovation, you know. So, and the other floors will give a lesser load. So you can see one thing, this is the load pattern in which it is given. Just see, triangular load sections. So means there is a uniformly distributed load with the maximum load at the center. Similarly you can see the area of the triangles. This triangle is more steeper than this one, so these triangles are actually the magnitudes. This line represents the magnitude of the load that is falling on it. So similarly, from just viewing the figure you can also determine which load is maximum or minimum. Fine. So in this class we have learnt about the application of live load. In the next class, subsequent class, we will go towards the other forms of load, say wind load. So see you in the next lecture.